there, I'm Saul Reisman here at Saul's Auto Tech in Greenwood Village, Colorado, and today I'm sitting in the driver's seat of this 1961 Rolls Royce Silver Shadow. Now, you've noticed by watching this video that I'm on the passenger side of the vehicle, which means this was a true original Rolls Royce built over in Crewe, England. Now, the reason that we're talking about this car today is because Rolls Royces originally were built as a true luxury and exotic automobile. They were built for dignitaries. They were built for literally kings and queens, and they were shipped worldwide. One of the few things that the British did appropriately with these vehicles was build this incredible 6.8-liter V8 engine. This engine, which they've operated for over 70 years in some of their vehicles, literally was in production from the start of the company until the company eventually ended production. And then in the last 20 years, BMW purchased the naming rights and recently started making their own Rolls Royces. So if you've seen a modern Rolls Royce out on the road, you're looking at a BMW product. But if you see a classic like this guy, you're looking at a true built-in-England Rolls Royce. Now, some of the things that we really like about these vehicles are the fact that they were engineered to truly last 100 years. This vehicle is from 1961. It's no slouch. It's been around the block before. But it ran and drove in here today, and the only reason this vehicle came into our facility today is because it needs the same basic maintenance that your modern vehicle needs. If you come in to get fluid changes, oil, transmission, brake, accordingly, you'll keep the vehicle on the road for a long time. Now, this vehicle, when it was produced, in the owner's manual said to change the fluid in the suspension and the brakes every year. So we're going to show you something kind of cool about that you're not going to see on any other cars. If we take a look right down here into the engine bay, the actual reservoirs for the brake fluid are glass. This is how we truly know that this is an all-original car and hasn't been modified. We can actually see the color in those cylinders is almost a yellowish hue, and that tells us it's time for it to get replaced. The fluid they use is hydrophilic. It draws water into it and therefore should be serviced on a continual basis. Now, this vehicle has been around for over half a century, but the owner has had it in their family the entire time, and they've changed the fluids every year. So even though this classic vehicle looks like it might be in destitute need of serious repair, all it's here for today is a few fluid changes, and it's going to get back on the road. So this is a proof, case in point example that if you take care of your vehicle, you follow up on its maintenance, and you keep it moving all the time, just like you would take care of your body, and you keep exercise, and you keep stretching, it's going to last you a very long time, and you're going to be very happy with its performance. If you've got a Rolls Royce and you're worried about it, it's been in storage or it hasn't been taken care of or it got passed on from somebody else and you don't know the history of it, we here at Saul's Auto Tech would love to take a look. Not only can we help keep it up to date from a maintenance standpoint, but we can also do a few things to get it up to a more modern safety standpoint to keep you on the road. So if you're concerned about keeping yours running and keeping it safe, or you want to make sure that it doesn't change lanes without warning like your modern car does, let us know. We're here 7 days a week in Greenwood Village, Colorado. Saul's Auto Tech.